Alright, so this is gonna be kind of a video about nothing. So I have a problem, but it's a good problem to have, is that I'm kind of running out of room everywhere. And I've thought about, or at least I've maybe started, bringing some of my chasers to the office. So I'm trying to debate on if that's what I want to do. If I want to bring the rest of my chasers out here. So, I mean, I've got like several quad track chasers. I've got several of the combines, Case IH and John Deere. And it's just one of the things I'm kicking around or thinking about what's the best way to display this stuff. And I'm actually doing this video right in the middle of kind of reorganizing, so it's a little bit of a mess here. You can see we've got some dust issues, and so what I've been doing is I've been dusting shelves and moving around. So this is kind of the puller miscellaneous shelf, if you will. And um, this shelf is those are honestly some of my first customs, or some of my older customs. They're pretty. I mean, not this guy or these guys, obviously, but back here, and they're kind of. Well, they're certainly not up to today's standards, but I like to keep them just to kind of a reminder of how far I've come and things like that. And then if we come over here, so this combines, and so I have a lot of combines at home as well. And so one thing I'm considering is maybe I get another shelf and I can maybe make more room there or something. I don't know. It'll be tight if I do that, but I'm just not sure what to do. That's the biggest trick here. This is like that Chaser TTT set, and obviously a couple Chaser buds there. Got some other big buds at home. I've got a couple of Chaser big buds at home, and it's just a kind of a dilemma. What do you do? I don't know if that's something you guys deal with or not, but I'm sure it's a problem for all of us. Where do you put what? And I'm just really trying to kind of get things together. So, like, for example, I have a ton more pullers at home, and I would like to have all my pullers together, so they're probably going to end up out here for the time being. Make some more room at home anyway. I don't know. But that's kind of what's going on. I know this is like just a quick couple minute video, but I don't know. What would you do? Bring all the chasers, put them out in one place together? Um, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm just not sure what to do. All right, guys, that'll do it. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.